Imagine a world where robots are indistinguishable from humans. You no longer have to imagine, that future is here. We've entered an era where next-generation humanoid robots have begun to perform complex tasks that were once the exclusive domain of mankind. These robots, designed with an uncanny resemblance to humans, can carry out intricate operations, demonstrating a level of precision and consistency that surpasses human ability. But it's not just their physical capabilities that are astonishing. These humanoid robots are now programmed to show human-like emotions, to laugh, to frown, even to express surprise. They can mimic human behavior with such accuracy that it's becoming increasingly difficult to draw the line between man and machine. This advancement in technology is not confined to the pages of a science fiction novel or the scenes of a Hollywood blockbuster. This is not a sci-fi movie plot. This is the reality of humanoid robots today. To appreciate the marvels of today's robots, we must journey back to their humble beginnings. The story of humanoid robots starts in the 1930s. The first of their kind were simple, rudimentary machines, little more than moving mannequins. Yet even these early forerunners demonstrated the potential of robotic technology. Throughout the 30s and 40s, inventors and scientists continued to experiment, creating robots capable of mimicking human actions. These mechanical men, while often clumsy and limited in their capabilities, marked the first steps in a journey towards more sophisticated androids. As we moved into the late 20th century, the development of humanoid robots took on a new pace. Advances in technology and computer programming allowed for the creation of robots that could not only mimic human actions but also respond to their environment. These robots were no longer simple machines but complex beings capable of learning and adapting. The late 20th century also saw the birth of robots designed to interact with humans on a social level. These robots, equipped with artificial intelligence, could understand and respond to human speech, recognize faces, and even express emotions. Throughout the years, each generation of humanoid robots has built upon the achievements of the ones before them. The first mechanical men paved the way for the advanced, sophisticated robots we see today. Robots that can walk, talk, and learn. Robots that can assist in tasks ranging from household chores to complex surgeries. Robots that can provide companionship and care. The journey from the first humanoid robots of the 1930s to the advanced machines of today has been marked by incredible advancements and breakthroughs. Each step forward has brought us closer to a future where robots are an integral part of our daily lives. From rudimentary mechanical men to complex beings, the evolution of humanoid robots is nothing short of breathtaking. The 21st century has seen a quantum leap in robotic technology. Indeed, the last 2 decades have been nothing short of revolutionary. Today's robots are not just a collection of wires and metal. They have become complex systems finely tuned to move, think, and even feel in ways that were once just figments of science fiction. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a game changer. Robots can now make decisions based on complex algorithms, learn from their experiences, and adapt to new situations. This is no longer about following preset instructions. It's about interpreting, understanding, and acting. Robots have become problem solvers, and we owe this to the tireless work of researchers and engineers pushing the boundaries of AI technology. Then, there's the enhanced mobility. Robots have gone from clunky, rigid machines to agile and flexible entities. They can now navigate through diverse terrains, climb stairs, and even perform backflips. The development in the field of actuator technology, which is like the muscles of a robot, has enabled this extraordinary mobility. Companies like Boston Dynamics have been at the forefront of this mobility revolution, creating robots that move in ways that were unimaginable just a couple of decades ago. And let's not forget about emotional responsiveness. This might be the most fascinating advancement of all. Robots today can recognize and respond to human emotions. They can read facial expressions, interpret tone of voice, and understand body language. This has opened up a whole new world of possibilities, from companion robots for the elderly to empathetic customer service bots. Researchers like Dr. Cynthia Breazeal at MIT's Media Lab have been instrumental in this emotional evolution of robots. The robots of today are a far cry from their ancestors, and they are only getting more advanced. With each passing day, the line between human and robot continues to blur. We stand on the brink of a future where robots will not just be tools, but partners, collaborators, and friends. And it's a future that's getting closer with every leap in technology. So what does the future hold for humanoid robots? Well, the next generation of humanoid robots is set to be a game changer. They'll boast increased autonomy, able to make decisions and solve complex problems independently. No longer will they simply follow predefined rules. Instead, they'll learn, adapt, and evolve, much like us humans. But it doesn't stop there. These robots will also have improved emotional intelligence. They'll understand and respond to human emotions, allowing for more natural and meaningful interactions. Imagine having a conversation with a robot that can understand not just what you're saying, but how you're feeling too. And as for their roles in society, they'll be everywhere. From healthcare to education to the service industry, these robots will be integrated into our daily lives, providing assistance, companionship, and so much more. The possibilities are limitless, and the future is closer than you may think. The rise of humanoid robots is not just a technological revolution, but a societal one. We've journeyed through the evolution of robots, from their humble beginnings as simple machines to the intricate, lifelike entities we see today. We've seen how they've learned to walk, talk, and even think, mirroring our human capabilities in an astonishing display of technological prowess. As we've explored, these advancements are not confined to laboratories and tech firms. They're infiltrating our everyday lives, reshaping industries, and redefining what's possible. From healthcare to hospitality, education to entertainment, humanoid robots are emerging as powerful allies in our quest for progress. And what of the future? As we peer into the crystal ball, we see a world where robots and humans coexist, collaborate, and even co-evolve. A world where the humanoid robots of the future will be even more advanced, more intuitive, and more integrated into our society. As we stand on the brink of a new era, one thing is certain: the world of humanoid robots is set to shock and amaze us in ways we can hardly imagine.